Zen's Tea House, helping people through the power of tea, has been our motto since 2012. And we not only support organic farmers and the humanitarian efforts behind the tea industry, but we also support businesses, people who want to start their health and wellness business by getting them started with drop shipping, private labeling, designing their labels, their logos, their website, even their business plan. If you're interested in joining the health and wellness movement, which is growing by leaps and bounds because people now more than ever are paying attention to their health and they're looking outside of a pill, try working with Zen's Tea House and we will help you get your business up and running. Whether it's a side project or a dream that you never really got off the ground, contact us. My email is fernando@zenstea.com, or you can visit our corporate website, zensteahouse.com/franchise. Information is in the link below.